Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. This is a diamond painting channel, but we also do other things here. Besides showing you beautiful diamond paintings and completions and working on diamond paintings, I also do some crochet and yarn videos, and I do books. I like to have a book haul from time to time, and I do a book discussion with my friend Brandy on Tuesday nights if you are interested. So if you're new here, peck around and check out some of the things that I do and see if there's something that you might enjoy. Today is diamond painting, and this comes to us from GBFKE. They let me pick out some things to show you, and they are fantastic. Just wait till you see these. You can already tell. Look at the size of these. Oh, some of these are really pretty. Okay, let's look at this little one first. We'll start with the small guy. He might be small, but he is beautiful. Okay, small but beautiful. Let's zoom you in. So this one is a 30 by 30, and it is a beautiful dragonfly on a flower, and it is a stained glass style. So all of the background is stained glass. The background gets no drills, but look at all these special drills. We have all of these 8s up here, all of this body, special drills on the leaves, and some more on the wings. It should be very, very pretty. For a small little painting like this, it has 13 different types of drills. Let's see what they are. This one would be super quick to do, and I think it will be absolutely stunning. So what do we have? We have rhinestones, of course. We have gold rhinestones, blue, purple, yellow, pink, orange, and green rhinestones. Now our special drills are these gold balls. We have some beautiful green marquees. We have some small red marquee. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are iridescent little green marquees, but they are iridescent. They're picking up all the pretty colors. Look at those. Beautiful. Those are going to be, I bet, on that body of that dragonfly. And then we have some faceted blue ovals. Those are very pretty. So, like I said, it might be small, but it's got some fantastic things in there. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, now let's move on to these. Wow. So this is going to be like a things that fly kind of video. I think everything in here can fly. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. This is a 40 by 40. I'm finding more and more 40 by 40 size paintings, and they are fabulous, fabulous. So we have this beautiful dove, and we have some other doves flying in the background with all of these pretty flowers here. There's a lot of special drills on these flowers and in the leaves. Lots of special drills on the dove here. This reminds me of Christopher. Christopher, we got a dove painting. Do you have it yet? The house, the little cottage back here, none of that gets drills. None of the sky gets drills. But there are a ton of things to drill on this, and I think it is beautiful. I think it's going to be just gorgeous. Look at all the special drills in the wings even. Lots and lots of fun stuff going on here. There are 11 different drills. 6 of them are rhinestones, and the rest are special drills. Let's get into them and show you what we have here. I think it's gorgeous. This bigger size, I'm really enjoying the larger size. The 40 by 40s, I've gotten a few of them now. They're very nice. Okay, here we go. Let's roll them. We have 2 bags of clear rhinestones. We have a very pale pink, kind of like a salmon color there. Very pale blue, a nice green, and a yellow. Then we have these beautiful pink marquees. They are like the clear type, smooth, non-faceted. Then we have green marquee, faceted, green. I'm looking at the green, saying green. This was blue, okay? We have blue and green and clear. We have 3 different marquees there, and they have some iridescent on them. They're picking up different colors. They're very pretty. And then we have these little iridescent round faceted. Those are so nice. All right, like I said, lots going on there. I think it will be absolutely beautiful. What do you think? I like the little rosy cheek on the bird there. I think that's cute. All right. And then the last one, okay, this is what a toolkit looks like. They come with every painting. And here's the last one that I got. Okay. And look at it. Look at it. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. I love these colors, these teals and purples and greens. It's beautiful. So all of this background is undrilled, all of this. And back here, we have a pretty background. I love that they're doing full coverage backgrounds. I think they're beautiful that way. Yeah, I love it. Look at all the special drills just in this one flower. Look at all of those. And then we have more, and we have special drills here and on the wings. And look at this. Oh my goodness. There's a lot here. There's a lot going on. There are 9 different drills for this. And I have a feeling quite a few of them are going to be special drills. Oh, and this pack is pretty full. It's a pretty fat bag of drills. Isn't it gorgeous though? I think it's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I remember the first time I got one of these 40 by 40s, I did not even know that it was a 40 by 40, and it came and I was like, oh, this is big. So now I kind of look for them, but look at this. Clear rhinestones, the yellowy gold. This is kind of like a little light amber brown. Well, of course, we got all this branch and probably some on the owl itself. And purple. That's it for the rhinestones, folks. That's it. The clear, the yellowy gold, brown, and a little bit of purple. The rest are special drills. And look at them. A large gold round faceted, pretty pink teardrops faceted, a whole bunch of pearls. Then we have these beauties right here, and there's 2 bags of them. They are iridescent faceted teardrops. They're clear, but boy, are they looking pretty. I'm seeing purple and blue and green. Those are gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. And then we have some green iridescent faceted marquee. And those are going to be like the leaves. The leaves, the leaves, the leaves, right? And then these teardrops, they're going to go all over the place. They're going to be in the flower. They're going to be here. Flowers, flowers, some in the moon. I think it's beautiful. I think it's just gorgeous. So let me know what you think. I mean, I love that one. I think that one is a stunner. I'm going to zoom you out a little bit here so we can see the others. We have the beautiful dove. Like I said, it's things that fly day, things that fly. A dove, an owl, and a dragonfly. There we go. Aren't they all just beautiful, colorful? Look at the color. This is just packed with colors. I love it. Really bright, pastel, and then just perfection. All right, that's what I have for you today. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Go check out GBFKE. I will have these paintings listed below so you can find them if you are interested in them. Thanks for watching. I hope you come back and visit again in the future and watch a couple more videos. There's always one linked at the end that you may not have seen, so you might want to check that out when you see that pop up at the end. All right, I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.